10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Lift off.
Terran 1 has cleared the tower.
Switch over maneuver starting. Launch pad facing.
Look at that blue fire! If you can hear me over the cheering, the vehicle is now headed downrange in an easterly direction over the Atlantic Ocean. Our next ascent milestone is max Q, around 80 seconds.
Terran 1 is supersonic. Get telemetry switch over at the ground station. Max Q.
We are on our way to making a new history. Terran came ready to play today. You just heard that call out indicating Terran 1 just made it through. Max Q. We just completed a major step in proving to the world that 3D printed rockets are structurally viable. Up next, we'll be looking for a call out that stage 1 performance is nominal. Can see, we were waiting for MECO and upper stage ignition. This means that we had a main engine cutoff for stage 1, and directly following that we had second stage ignition, which you can see the Aeon vacuum engine in that beautiful view in the night sky. Reminder, there is no fairing for this maiden launch as we don't have a customer payload, but we do instead have a memento of the first ever circular test print.